You see here geography factors. Population is higher in plains than in plateaus and mountains. Plains of Ganga are the most densely populated region in the world. Mountain regions around the world like Himalayas, Andes are sparsely populated. Generally, if you see the mountain areas, population is very low.
Reasons for high density of population. Suitable for farming. Establishment of manufacturing industries. Service activities like transportation, communication, education, health, etc.
Why particularly the density population is more? Because of the suitable farming and establishment of the manufacturing industries. Service activities like transportation, communication, education, health, etc. So these are the reasons behind that.
Let us see how climate impacts population distribution. People usually avoid living in places which are
generally, if you see, look at the picture, people usually avoid to live in places which are, that is one is deserts.
Extremely cold regions like the polar region of Russia, Canada and Antarctica.
Extremely cold.
The reason for this is that too hot or too cold a climate is not suitable for large population settlement.
Russia, Canada and Antarctica. Reasons are too hot or too cold climate is not suitable for large population settlement.
Soil. Dense population is found in fertile plains. The areas of dense population are plains of Ganga and Brahmaputra in India, Huanghe, Changjiang in China, and the Nile in Egypt. Reason. Fertile soils provide suitable land for cultivation. Water. Population is very dense in river valleys because fresh water is easily available. All the ancient civilizations were situated on river banks. Reasons. Supports agriculture, base for industries, useful in daily life.
Especially you see the population is very dense in the river valleys because fresh water is easily available. All the ancient civilizations were situated on the river banks. Reasons are supports agriculture, base for industries, and useful in daily life. That's why most of the people in ancient stages they started settling down in the river basins, river banks, near the river valleys.
Let us learn about the effects of the availability of minerals on the distribution of population. Minerals. Regions having mineral deposits are very densely populated. Reasons are that the availability of minerals gives employment, helps in economic development, and brings prosperity in the region.
Gives employment, helps in economic development, brings prosperity in the region. Regions having mineral deposits are very populated. You can picture here diamond mines at Kimberley, South Africa, and oil-rich places in Gulf.
Social, cultural, and economic factors. Social factors such as better education, health, and housing facilities attract more people. In India, cities like Delhi and Pune have high density of population. Cultural factors. Cultural factors such as places of religious importance are hugely populated.
See the important places. One is Vatican City and Varanasi and Mecca. Varanasi, India, Uttar Pradesh, Makkah, of course, Gulf, and Vatican City, Rome, Italy.
Economic factors. More people are attracted to industrial cities as they provide employment.
Mumbai, India, Osaka in Japan, and Detroit in USA. They are the important places. More people are attracted to industrial cities as they provide employment.
When was the first population census conducted in India? A. 1871. B. 1872. C. 1873. D. 1874.
It was started in the year 1871.
Hint: the first synchronous census held in 1881.
It is not 71, the mistake is 1881.
The answer is B. 1872. Explanation: the first Indian census was conducted in 1872. However, the first synchronous census in India was held in 1881. Since then, censuses are held every 10 years. The recent census was held in 2011. Let us know about the change in population. Change in population in a particular region during a particular period of time. World's population has increased significantly. Have a look at the graph showing the increase in world population.
Because this graph shows how the population is increasing. World population has increased significantly.
Let us have a look at the animation of demographic cycle. Let us know about growth rate. The information regarding the number of people is available for about the last 300 years. It is estimated that rate of growth of population prior to that had been very slow. During the last 300 years, growth of population has been at a rapid rate. The growth rate of population is the change of population which is expressed in percentage. Let us have a look at the graph showing population growth rate. In the beginning, the world population increased slowly. In the year 1650, total population of the world was 55 crores, and now it is more than 7 billion. Growth rate has been increasing steadily. The graph shows the growth rate of population per annum from 1800 to 1970-75. Till the end of the 19th century, population growth was very slow. The reasons for slow growth of population are agricultural methods not advanced, enough food was not produced, improper health services led to a large number of deaths,
You can see here the people food shortage because of the shortage of people how they have been beginning. Whereas here the traditional farming. So people still they have been using the old methods. Traditional farming is still going on.
In 1804, the world's population reached 1 billion. In 1999, it reached to 6 billion. This rapid growth in population has been termed as population explosion. Reasons for population explosion are better food supplies, better health facilities, increased literacy rate.
The rapid growth in population has been termed as population explosion. What are the reasons are better food supplies, better health facilities, increased literacy rate. You see here, increased, of course, all these are the basic facilities. Literacy rate, health facilities, food supplies. So these are all the reasons for the population explosion.
Let us have a look at the trend in world population growth as estimated by the United States Census Bureau.
The population growth has been increased from 1950 to 60, 3 billion, 70s 4 billion, 80s 5 billion, 19 6 billion, almost all, and 19 almost all 20 8 billion.
Let us have a look at the factors affecting population change. Growth of population depends on the difference between birth rate, death rate, and migration.
Factors affecting the population change. Growth of population depends on the three differences between. Growth of population depends on three important factors. That is, one is birth rate, number two, death rate, and migration. Let us define all these three factors: birth rate, death rate, and followed by migration.
Birth rate and death rate. Birth rate is the number of live births per 1,000 people in a year. Let us have a look at the map showing the birth rate in the world.
See, what is birth rate? Birth rate is number of live births per every 1,000 people in a year. Birth rate is the number of live births. Birth rate is the number of live births per every 1,000 people in a year. Can be considered as a birth rate. Similarly, death rate is the number of deaths per every 1,000 people in a year is birth rate. So, because of this,
Death rate. Death rate is the number of deaths per 1,000 people in 1 year.
so
Let us have a look at the map showing the death rate per 1,000 people in a year. Natural growth rate is the difference between birth rate and death rate of a country.
what is natural growth rate? Natural growth rate is nothing but as the difference between birth rate and death rate of a country. The difference between birth rate and death rate of a country is known as a natural growth rate.
If birth rate is higher,
Birth rate means the death rate.
natural growth rate is positive. That is, population increases. If birth rate and death rate are equal, the population remains steady. If death rate is higher, natural growth rate is negative. That is, population decreases. Life expectancy is the average age a person is expected to live. It can be used as an indicator of the overall health of a country.
Okay, children, we will wind up with this. Next class we will continue further the same topic, that is human resource.